Good day to you. This is Kadal Amudam from Chennai, India. This is part 40 of sales training program. This little creativity is the winning edge. Doing things a little different from others will produce enormous difference in result. You create wealth to the society because of the central role of our self concept. The more you believe yourself to be creative, the more you will generate creative ideas. In selling, you are essentially creating business where no business existed before. By the process of sales, you are engaging in extraordinary, complex creative acts that are the wellsprings of our free enterprise society. The more intensely you desire to achieve a clear, specific goal, the more creative you will be in finding ways to accomplish it. The more determined you are to solve a pressing problem, the more resourceful you will be in coming up with different solutions. The more focused and specific the questions that you ask yourself, the more innovative you will be in developing answers. Prospect creatively. The first area where creativity is important is in prospecting. Your success in prospecting largely determines your income, and your ability to find more and better prospects is only limited to by your imagination. Buying motive. The second area where creativity is essential is in uncovering buying motives. You must be creative with questioning to find out exactly what the customer needs and what will cause this customer to buy. This is the end of part 40 of sales training program. I also conduct one-on-one training for those who are interested. I can find out your shortcomings and plus points and tune in to be a perfect salesperson. Kindly contact me using the telephone numbers available on the video. Thank you and good day to you.